Hi, hello friends. Today we will discuss about cloud jargons.
Cloud terminology from A to Z. The AZ of cloud computing terminology. Cloud migration is the process of transferring applications, data or other business elements from a company's on-site premises behind a firewall to the cloud, or moving them from one cloud environment to another. Cloud-to-cloud migration. Cloud native. Native Cloud Application/NCA is an application that has been specifically developed for cloud platforms. They are designed to reach the maximum services and functionality of cloud computing and virtualization infrastructure, which are composed of loosely coupled cloud services. Cloud Operating System (Cloud OS) refers to a specialized operating system that manages cloud computing and virtualization environments. It provides all the common services required by applications running within a virtual machine. An example is Microsoft's Windows Azure. Cloud Operating System (Cloud OS). The term Cloud OS can also be used to describe the lightweight operating system designed for tablet PCs or netbooks, such as Google's Chromebook, that access data and web-based applications from remote servers. An example is Chrome OS. Cloud-oriented architecture (COA) is a conceptual model made up of interrelated entities and elements networked to form a cloud environment. COA defines all the systems and procedures that facilitate the overall cloud environment. Cloudlet, the new architectural element that arose from the convergence of IoT, mobile computing and cloud computing. It provides a way to move cloud computing capacity closer to intelligent devices at the edge of the network, by acting as the middle tier of a three-tier hierarchy. The intelligent device, Cloudlet, and Cloud. Cloudlet. The main purpose of a cloudlet is to enhance the response time of applications running on mobile devices by utilizing high bandwidth wireless connectivity, low latency, and hosting cloud computing resources, like virtual machines, physically closer to the devices accessing them. Cloud platform refers to a service hosted and distributed by a third-party service provider to facilitate the processing and deployment of apps without the complexity and cost of acquiring, installing and maintaining underlying software and hardware layers. Cloud portability is the ability to migrate data and applications between different cloud environments without disrupting standard processes and operations. Cloud portability facilitates cloud-to-cloud migration. Cloud provider (CSP) is a company that delivers cloud computing services to individuals or businesses via an on-demand, pay-as-you-go systems as a service, typically as platform as a service PaaS, software as a service SaaS, or infrastructure as a service IaaS. Cloud provisioning refers to the deployment and integration of an organization's cloud computing services within its infrastructure. The cloud services in question can be hybrid, public or private solutions. An organization may choose to host some services and applications within the public cloud while others remain on-site behind the firewall. Cloud pyramid refers to the overall systematic set of interdependent layers which collectively make up the cloud environment. Typically, the underlying layers support the overlying layers. Cloud security refers to a set of control-based measures, policies and technologies designed and implemented to protect cloud infrastructure, applications and data. To limit potential compromises, they have to adhere to a set of compliance rules. Examples of cloud security measures include password protection and data encryption. Cloud Security Alliance (CSA) is a non-profit organization that is dedicated to raising awareness of best practices for securing cloud computing environments. CSA leverages the subject matter expertise of industry practitioners, governments, associations and its individual and corporate members to provide cloud security-specific certification, education, research, products and events. Cloud sourcing is the process of outsourcing specialized cloud services, products and resources to third parties for deployment, maintenance and provision of individual services. Service providers engage in this by cloud sourcing some of their services to other service providers. Cloud standards are an acceptable technological and service level of quality which applies to various cloud service providers according to their individual resources and service delivery. It's regulated by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO). Cloud storage is a data storage model whereby data is saved in third-party managed physical storage servers which are remotely accessible. Managed by cloud service providers, the physical storage servers usually span multiple layers and are allocated according to the storage needs of individual users. Cloudstorming is the act of connecting multiple cloud computing environments. Cloud testing is a subset of software testing that uses simulated, real-world traffic to perform performance and load testing on cloud-based application and services. Cloud testing is conducted in order to guarantee optimal scalability and performance under a vast variety of conditions. Cloud washing is the purposeful and at times deceptive act of rebranding an old service or product by associating the word cloud in an attempt to attract new subscription from unsuspecting clients. Cluster refers to a group of linked servers and other resources that work together as if they were a single system. Clustering is a popular strategy for implementing parallel processing and high availability through fault tolerance and load balancing. Cluster controller is a control unit that manages the remote communications processing for several workstations or terminals. Compliance is the process of conforming to the decisions and policies set by regulatory bodies. The policies are typically derived from internal directives, requirements and procedures, or from external laws, agreements, standards, regulations and agreements.